Scrappy peeps, Suzanna here today for Bella Blvd to share with you this multi-photo winter layout created using the Snowflake season collection. So I have four, I'm going to say they're 2 1/4 square photos that I printed. So I am just cutting those apart and I am going to use them with this collection. So these are snow photos, but they were taken April 3rd at the top of Mount Lemmon in Arizona. We were in Tucson for spring break and there was snow at the top of the mountain, which we were not expecting. So we of course, built a snowman, because if you have snow and you can't hike the trail that you've driven all the way out there for, you build a snowman. So I am creating 4 strips here. These are 2 1/4 by 9 1/2 inches. So 2 1/4 wide by 9 1/2 tall. And I have 4 pattern papers. One is with all of the colors that are in the layout, so that's the snowflakes on the left, and then you have the tone-on-tone pink with the hearts, the tone-on-tone white with the snowflakes, and the tone-on, well, it's not really tone-on-tone, but let's call it falling snow, which is the blue there. And I rearranged them from the way that I have them originally laid out so as to not have the white on the outside, because then that sort of just fades in, and I want to really ground the right side and the left side, and that's why I have chosen the order that I've chosen to lay those down. Just using adhesive to get them down, and then I'm going to build from there. So this ends up being a pretty busy layout, all things told, especially for me, but I really like the way that it turned out. There are several things that I am going to do off camera, which I will talk you through. So my plan is that I'm going to have 2 photos at the top left and 2 photos at the bottom right. And I'm creating little scenes here with the ephemera bits. I mostly use actually, in fact, I think I only use the ephemera icons. I don't use any of the words. So I have the 2 Polaroid bits. I'm going to put one on the top left and one on the bottom right. And while the strips flow horizontally, because of the placement of the photos, the flow is going to pretty much go top left down through the title, which is a very long title that actually goes top right down to bottom left, the opposite direction. So it almost creates an X. And then the flow from the top left to the bottom right with the other Polaroid. So you can see the 2 clusters that I've built. I'm pretty happy with them. And so now it's just a matter of adhering them down. And because I'm using foam adhesive in order to create some layers with all of those elements, just to distinguish some of them. And because I also fully intend to use the snowman, because the title is, Do You Want to Build a Snowman? That Bella Pop has dimension, and so I need other parts of the layout to have dimension to it as well. And I am one of these people who fully cover my elements when I put foam on, not fully, but mostly fully cover, because I find that when things are in page protectors in albums, if you don't cover it, they tend to divot and sag, and I don't like that. So I didn't put the photos up high enough, so I am having to rearrange things, which is very difficult to do when you use liquid adhesive, but I managed to make it work, and I know that where I've ripped up the paper is also parts that are going to get covered there. So I will tell you that off camera in those mountains there's some falling snow, so I take some of my stickles, my glitter stickles, and I add some additional snow to that as well. I am also going to take some white spray. I believe it might be Heidi Swap, really old stuff from my stash, and I'm going to splatter some of that. It's really subtle and you can't really tell that I've done that, but you will see in the close-ups that there are some thicker white blobs, for lack of a better word, snowfall. So now I have the puffy stickers, the Scrappy Friends puffy stickers, and I am adding that for some additional color and just because I have them and they're fun. So I'm also going to use here some of the puffy dots. I will go in later and I will also add some of the epoxy wintertime bits as well. And I believe I do that off camera. So there will be a cluster up at the top right of things, as well as those trees there. They're going to get some additional stuff. So now I am working on that top left, and I will also use, you can see in those trees in the top that there is some glitter there, or you can see where the snow is on top of the trees. So I'm going to add some glitter to a few of those, but not all of them. Again, just to add, build some layers and add some fun to the layout, some sparkle to the layout, some snow. So you saw that I used a thread ball underneath that purple snowflake there. So between the glitter and the silver thread, I have some really nice texture added to the layout. So I'm using my Chow Chips title here for Snowman, and then I'm going to get the puffy Luna stickers in 2 different colors that coordinate with the collection to build my title. And you will see as I put down build that I don't have an L, but have no fear, I have extra of this, and so I will put that on afterwards. I just didn't want to stop the camera as I was filming. I am also off camera going to take another one of the trees, the die cut trees, and put that to the left of Snowman, as well as a purple puffy tree and a teal puffy snowflake as well. And then that, I'm sure you saw earlier I had a pink hat, and I will put that on the O of Snowman. Just, it blends into the pink on the pattern paper, but I really like just how it goes with the mittens and ties the entire layout together. So this is the new Snowflake season collection, perfect for all of your snowy days. So if you have any questions about the new collection, please don't hesitate to ask. I would be happy to try and answer them for you. If you have any questions about my design process, please also ask that. The close-ups are to follow. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Come back again soon. Take care.